Hey, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software, and today's video we will see how to add employee shifts. So let's start. You have to just log into your ezybooks.net, then just click on HR module and select employee shift submodule. Then you have to click on these four dots and select add shift. Then enter the description for your shift. I'm just adding day shift over here. Then select the cost center, add the start time, status as active, total hours will be 9 hours. Then enter the break time, and add the half day hours over here. Just click on save button. Your shift will be added successfully on the index page, and you can easily view, edit and delete that shift using these actions. You can quick filter your shift in the filter given in the search box of description, and you can quick refresh that search data using this refresh button. You can also export this shift list using export to CSV, export to Excel and export to PDF options. If you get any query to add your shifts, then please connect us at contact us at the sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.